How to sign up for my CRA account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can sign up for my CRA account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to sign up for my CRA account, go to the browser and type in Canada CRA login, and this is the kind of interface you will see. So you can tap on the CRA sign-in services, which is the first link obviously. So to create, first of all we will select whether you're individual or business. If you're individual, select my account. If you're a business, select my business. Over here, since we're trying to sign up, we will scroll down to the option number 2 that says using a CRA user ID and password. Instead of sign in, this is for those who already have an account. Since you're trying to register, select CRA register option there. Once you select CRA register, you'll be taken to the next page. Now first you need to also have your social insurance number. If you do not have social insurance number, you will not be able to sign up on CRA. So once you validate your identity by entering your date of birth, which is legal date of birth according to the legal documents that you've entered, and you can also fill in some of your tax information, then tap on the next option to follow the on-screen instructions. Then after you've done that, you'll definitely be able to go ahead and then basically sign up for your CRA account. This way you'll be able to sign up for your CRA account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.